Everyone, my name is Mert C and my student ID is 240508011. Today I'm going to show my presentation for Assignment 2 Programming 2 course at Atlas University. My presentation will consist of explaining the mathematical logic behind the code and demonstrating the graphical user interface GUI. In the first part of my project, I design a class named linearequation.java. This class contains 6 private data fields: private double A, B, C, D, E, and F. I implement the constructor to initialize these values and provided getter methods for each field: get A, get B, get C, like else. The core logic lies in the isSolvable method, which checks if the determinants A times D minus B times C is not equal 0, or if it is solvable, getter methods get X and get Y return the roots based on grammar rules we already learned in linear algebra course. I also created a test class, linearequationTest.java, to verify this logic via console input before moving to the GUI, graphical user interface. We can check the file. Please enter the values for A, B, C, D, E, and F. Let's some values. X value is -4 and Y value is 4.5. And part C, moving to part B, I developed a triangle calculator.java class to handle the geometry. The main challenge was to find the intersecting points of 3 line segments to form a triangle. I used the linear equation class from part A to calculate these vertices. Once we have the intersecting points, get intersection, the get distance and get angle methods will help us. Get distance method calculates the distance between them to find the side length. After that, the get angle method uses the law of cosine to determine the interior angles in degrees. The most important part is triangle GUI.java JFrame form. We can create a JFrame form this project. We have to add 12 text fields, 12 label, and one button for calculation. We can create together text field 1, text field 2. These are for X and Y values. The user will input and program will calculate and give some outputs for user. And also we can add label for all of these. And one button for calculation. We can edit text for empty. sorry. And also label can be x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5, x6, and y6. For button, we can say calculate. Okay. For the running part, we can click twice for calculation part. We have to write some codes. First, try parentheses double x1 equals double dot parse double j text field 1 point get text, and we can copy that for 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. But we have to change variables. y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4 and y4, x5, y5, x6 and y6. Also text field parts. We can check parse double. Yeah. Text field 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, that's all. And also, we have to continue with double p1 equals triangle calculator get intersection yeah, this part. We can copy that. Sorry. Yeah. And we have to change variable again. P3 x4 y4 x5 y5 6 and y6 5 5 yeah, that's all. And if part, the lines are parallel and do not form a triangle. If P1 equal null, P2 equal null, P3 equal null. After that, parentheses, javax swing. This part for output. JOption pane dot show message dialog this keyword, and the lines are parallel and do not form a triangle. And return. After the parentheses, double side A equals triangle. This part for calculation. Calculator get distance P2 P3, and also we can copy that side B and side C, and P1 and P1 and P2. Okay, another calculation part is from getAngle method. Angle A side A we can also copy that side B and angle C, side B, side A, side C, and side A, and side B. These are the calculation parts, and last of all, string parts. String result equal string dot format parentheses. You can be different than mine, but this part was design. Vertex 1 parentheses minus 0.2f comma percent dot 2f. And vertex 2 parentheses percent dot 2f comma percent dot 2f. this should be last parenthesis. Okay, vertex 2 f and vertex 3 percent dot 2f comma percent dot 2f. And also backslashes plus dimension parts dimension part, it should be backslash site 1 percent dot 2f slash backslash and site 2 percent dot 2f backslash site 3 percent dot 2f backslash and backslash. We can also continue this side equal angle parts and angle 1 percent dot 2f backslash and angle 2 percent dot 2f backslash and angle 3 percent dot 2f. Finally, we have to add variable 0 comma p1 1 comma p2 0 comma p2 1 comma p3 0 comma p3 1. And finally site A site B site C angle A angle B and angle C. That's all right now. And showx dot swing dot j option pane dot show message dialog this keyword, comma result. Okay, there are some mistakes. We can also check after that. And finally, catch. Exception. E. Javax.swing. .j option pane. .show message dialog, and this keyword and invalid. And that's all right now. We can correct, we can check. For design, let me show you. Sorry. Yeah. Some package train error. Actually, it has to be, but package triangle does not exist. Sorry. That was some grammar mistake. Triangle, triangle, and triangle. Triangle.calculator. Triangle.calculator. Sorry. These dots are not supposed to be here. Yeah, it's compiles. Let's some random numbers for calculate. 5, 6, 7, 3, 11, 3, 5, 1, 3, and 6. And calculate. These are the vertex dimension and angle part. Vertex 1 is -4 and +3. Vertex 2, 4.2 and 3. Vertex 3, 3.24 and 5.41. Dimension part, side 1 is 2.60. Side 2 is 7.63. Side 3 is 8.20. Angle part, angle 1, 18.43. Angle 2 is 68.20. Angle 3, 93.37. That's okay. Our code is running completely. Thanks for listening to me. That was my project for assignment 2. See you.